Hello people. Well, I just got this treadmill, and if you came across the same issue that I had one with this noise, this cracking noise when you step on, so I just solved it, and maybe I will share this information with you and it can definitely help some people to solve it. So actually what I did, I took this plastic out and I put some WD, like, this oil liquid spray, so, and it didn't solve the problem. I did put some, I spray some WD to these joints here, and it does something. It reduces the noise a bit, but still when I was walking on this treadmill, this side, there was a horrible noise. And after researching here, opening this plastic, this is the back plastic, so I realized that, let me show you. Do you see this piece of aluminium? You wouldn't believe, but this aluminium is, when I stepped on the treadmill, it was kind of touching this surface and make this really cracking horrible noise. So this is one of the things. I did put some WD also on this spacers. I don't know if it helped. I don't think it helped, but I think mainly this is the issue. So what I did, actually, I move it a little bit away and I put oil all along this path, and it solved the problem. Now I can definitely step on it. It was a really horrible noise. I wish I could make a video of the noise, but now the noise is gone, so we just have this. Okay, now this treadmill is working and I can step on it, and no issue with that for now. So one moment, let me just show you that now it's quiet. I don't know if you have at home this new device and you really struggling with this noise. So now you see I'm kind of jumping. Okay, there is this very small underneath this plastic surface, but it's really okay. It's nothing bad. It's like when you walk, so okay, you make some noise anyway when you walk, right? So that's it, guys. I hope I helped people who struggling with it. I don't know. I didn't apply to the service for that because I don't know. It's like, I don't know if they would solve it anyway. I don't know. Maybe they would say, yeah, let's send you another one, a new one, and a new one will be with the same problem, because this is a factory issue. They need to solve it. So yeah, guys, hope I solve it. If you have any questions, just buy this WD spray. Spray whenever you see that there is metal pieces touching each other and this aluminium touch the metal. It's definitely one of the reasons for horrible noise. So good luck, my friend, and have a beautiful day.